Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency on crypto.com app. So first of all, you have to log into your app. There are some major coins that are on the home page like Bitcoin, Ethereum or CRO. To buy any of these ones, just click on then from here and select buy at the bottom of the page. If the coin you want to buy is not one of these ones, click on trade and click buy. Click on the search bar here and type in the name of the coin that you want to buy, for example Doge. When the coin comes up, click on it. This will take you to the page where you can enter the amount of the coin that you want. If you have already added your credit card or debit card before, the app is going to select it by default as the payment method. If this is your first time of doing it, click on add credit or debit card, then enter your card details. Now click on buy. Check this box that says I understand that a zero fee is required for every card purchase and click continue. Note that new account on crypto.com are the only ones that get the first 30 days to buy crypto with their card for zero fees. After 30 days, a transaction fee is going to be applied. Review the details of the purchase and if you are okay with that, click confirm. If you want to make changes, click cancel at the top left. If you have Touch ID set up, it's going to ask you for your thumbprint, so you have to put it in this point. But if you don't have Touch ID set up, it will tell you to enter your security code for the app. Enter the 3-digit number at the back of your card and click submit. It will connect your bank page where you will click continue. Enter the code that your bank sends you to verify your transaction and click on go, or click on done, then select submit. You will see a notice telling you that your purchase was successful and you can tap anywhere on the screen to continue. If you go to your crypto wallet now by clicking accounts on crypto wallet, you will see the cryptocurrency that you just bought in there. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.